Even if you've never home cooked your own soup from scratch, this yummy and easy minestrone soup recipe is going to be something you can accomplish the very first time you try. So set yourself up for success and prepare all of the ingredients in advance. Once you have them all diced out and ready to go, measured out, then it's going to be really easy for you to put this recipe together. First, you want to add the pancetta and butter to a large soup pot or Dutch oven on medium heat. You stir it together regularly until the pancetta begins to brown, and this is usually ready in a few minutes. Then you add in your veggies, onions, carrots, celery, potatoes, and stir all those diced veg for about a minute. Then you need to lower the heat to medium-low and add in your spices and herbs, which are going to give it tremendous flavor. So in will go your garlic salt, some black pepper, and thyme. And you also want to throw in a bay leaf. Don't chop it up or anything, just throw it right in. And you're gonna stir this mixture together for about 5 to 10 minutes so it can absorb all of those flavors. Then the veggies will soften and become translucent and fragrant, but you don't want them to burn, so turn down the heat lower if that starts to happen. Then it's time to add in the crushed tomatoes and chicken stock and turn the heat back up to medium-high, and you want to bring this to a light boil, then reduce it back down to medium-low, simmer it covered for about 25 minutes, and after that's all done, all the flavors have integrated, the soup broth is nice and tasty, then you just want to make sure you remove that bay leaf and add in the beans that are already drained and rinsed. And that mixture is just going to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then you're ready to serve. I have a bunch of ideas for serving this. I think the more toppings, the better. So to a soup bowl, I like to add the soup and the pasta and then a handful of spinach. You add the spinach now because it will wilt. All right, and then just stir it all together. You can top it with some pesto. I have a great homemade pesto recipe at Sip Bite Go. I also love adding in a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese and serving it with rolls or baguette to get all that juice. Well, I hope you have a wonderful time trying this yummy homemade minestrone soup. Let me know what you think. Cheers!